Hello and welcome to this video lesson where I'm going to show you how to add navigation menu to your Blogger blog. And to do that, we need to go over to our website and we should try and see where we want to add our menu into. If you click on this caret, you see this is the About Me section, and we have archive, and also we have the list of labels for the blog. I'm going to go back to the blog, and it would be nice if we will be able to add our menu right below the title of the blog, and we can go over to the layout section, and then over here we'll be able to see the different gadget, or let me call it widget, that control the layout of the blog. If you see at the top sidebar, the top sidebar will see the About Me. If you come over here, you click on this place, you see this is the top sidebar, this is the About Me. Then if you go down, you see sidebar bottom, then we have blog archive and the label. That is why we are having the archive here and also the label. And then let's go to the top, you see search, and it's going to be in the top, and that is why we are having the search bar right here. And the other layout, we have the header, which is the page title, and that is why we are having this particular one right here. So we want to add our menu just below the header or the title of our blog, and I'm going to enable the gadget that is going to help us to add the menu we want to add to the top of the blog. And if you scroll down, you see page list, and if you click on this edit button, you're going to be led here. The first thing you need to do is you need to show pages. Then if you want to give your pages a title, which is optional, you can write it here, but it wouldn't make any sense for us to also add a menu or something as the title. So I'm going to leave the title. So also, as you can see, this is going to be the navigational menu for the home page of the blog. So also, this is the only page we have on the website right now, and ticking it is going to add it to the menu. And if you have other pages that you want to show up at the menu bar, you can always select them and they are going to show up here. So, and then right here, if you want it to be in form of tab or in form of a list of links, you can actually go to design and reposition the way you want it to be. We would like to make it in tab, and I think is the default format that the menu is currently displayed. And I'm going to click on save. Then if you notice something, this is more bolder than when it is inactive. Then the next thing you need to do is you need to click on save, and then once that is saved, you can come back to your blog and refresh. Boom, the menus are now showing up. If I click on About Me, we'll be able to see the About Me page we did earlier. And if I come back to the home page, and this is the home page of our blog. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video.